Hey guys, welcome. This is like an unscheduled live. I'm gonna give you guys like a second or two to like if anybody pops on. I wasn't planning this live. I was just doing my regular everyday search for Cricut, and I knew that they would be coming out with some new products soon. And I was like just waiting. I follow Cricut every single day. I get on their website, I check all the news releases, I do all of the research just to see what they're coming out with, when it's going to be released, prices, things like that. So today they released some really cool products that I want to share with you guys. Now, I don't have a way of like doing like picture in picture things, which I probably do. I just don't know how to use it. So we're not going to worry about that. But I do want to tell you that Cricut came out with some really cool things today, and you're going to want to check them out. They are pricey, but we know that with Cricut. Cricut does everything pricey, but they are good products, and I don't get paid to review them. I don't get paid to share them with you guys. It's just how I feel about products. And if I don't like something that they have, I will also tell you guys that as well, that I don't like it. But today, guys, they released some really cool things. So I'm going to try to show you from my phone the products that they released. I'll just kind of like do a up here picture thing. But the one thing that I'm super excited about is the heat presses. You guys know the Easy Press that I just recently purchased? I said I love it, but I don't have the upper body strength or the arm strength to really give it enough force that it needs. So I like it for infusible ink, wood products, things like that doesn't need the as much pressure. Well, Cricut knew this, and they have worked with people in their homes and have done studies on what they can come up with to help people. Well, they came up with, let me just show you. I hope it's not too bright. Can you see that? They came up with a heat press. I know, look at the price. I know, $999, but it's amazing what they showed. And I will try to share a link to a video that they posted. What they showed with that heat press is you do like no work. You literally have a little dial that you set. It takes 2 fingers to press it down, and then the machine kicks in to the amount of pressure that it needs because you set the pressure and what you're using. Kind of like when you do the Easy Press and you set the material, like what your material is going on, whether it's cotton, wood, whatever, and then you put whether it's infusible ink, permanent vinyl, or iron-on or infusible ink. You put all that down, and then this machine will know how much pressure it needs to give, and it even pops up on its own, guys. That's amazing. So there's like no like upper body strength needed. And for someone like me who makes a lot of t-shirts and has a lot going on, I am constantly like, I'm shoving my heat press down, which I love my heat press. I'm not telling you that the heat press that I have is not good enough. It's more than good enough. It's on Amazon. It's a great price. It's nowhere near the price of this heat press. But if I can afford to get something bigger and better, then that's what I want to do, because it's just going to make my job easier. So yes, $1,000 is a huge amount of money for a heat press, but when you're in the business, it's a great investment, I'm sure. So that's one thing that they came out with. And another thing that they came out with is a hat press. This thing is pretty cool, guys. Now, I have a hat press again with my other machine, and it works. But this one, I can see the innovativeness that they put into it to make this one work even better. So I want to show you that. And it comes in at $149.99. So typical heat press price, but it is pretty cool, guys. Check this out. Oh wait, I'm coming in from the wrong angle again. Look at this thing. It's pretty cool. So that thing that you see here in the back, this thing right here, this is like a head form. So that's what you set your hat on to press, and it's moldable. So it'll mold to whatever type of hat you're doing. And they were showing how you could do all different hats with it. So 100%, that is something that I would like to get into, because the heat press that I have works well. You do have to take your machine apart and set in a new piece and press it that way. Again, you need the upper body strength, but you can use it. Like, so if you have one of the heat presses that has multiple functions that you can add different accessories to, you don't need this. But for me, it would just make it easier for me personally. And at a price point of $149.99, it's not terrible. Like, I think that's a pretty decent price point. But they also came out with another Easy Press. Now, on the video that I saw, I believe they called it the Heat Press 3. But when I looked it up on Cricut, it didn't say the Heat Press 3. It just says the Easy Press. So, and it's a different color. So I'm not 100% sure. I'm not 100% sure if they're not making the other Easy Presses anymore. But here are the options. I think I clicked on it. But either way, they do have the other Easy Presses on sale right now. So if you were looking to just get a regular Easy Press that you manually set the temperature for, and like the one I just recently got, which works amazing. I'm going to tell you, if you can get an Easy Press, they are amazing. And if you have the pressure that you can push on it, it works perfect. They're on sale right now for quite a bit off. So I would definitely suggest if that's what you're into. The only thing different that I saw about the new Easy Press is that it runs from an app from your phone. So you don't have to set it necessarily on the actual Easy Press, but I don't know, that's kind of not like a big deal to me. Like, I rather have full control. That's why I like the dial of the Explorer Air 2. But the AutoPress, like, for sure, like, I have to start saving to get that because I really want that. Again, if you're a Cricut Access member, you get a percentage off. So the hat press is going to be available March 13th. But the AutoPress is not available till January, February, March, April, May 15th. So that gives you some time to maybe put some money back or, start saving for it. But, oh my gosh, guys, it looks amazing. I was so excited. At first, I was like, oh, it's another Easy Press. And then they showed the hat press, and I was like, oh, that's pretty cool. And then when they pulled this out, I was like, wow. And, guys, it only looks like it's about this tall. Like, that's it. It doesn't look... It's not big. It's not bulky. I mean, it was legit just like this. And it closed flat, and she used 2 fingers to press it down. And then, like, the motor kicked on, and it, like, brought it down to the pressure that it needed. So, 100% definitely need to check that out. Yeah, in case you guys need a reminder, our live was changed from today, Monday, to tomorrow, Tuesday, and I think we're going to have to make some changes frequently just because of new schedules coming out, and we wanted to keep it the same night every week, but we just don't think that that's going to be realistic for us. And plus, we found that some people can watch it one week and not the other because they work like every other Monday or they're busy doing something. The real thing that we have to do is look at our team that is working here behind the scenes, that whatever days are going to work best for them now. But we appreciate you guys joining us and coming back. And Brandy, I haven't even called Brandy to tell her about the new product coming out. She's going to be like, what is going on? So I'm going to give her a call here now and let her watch the video and see what she thinks. But we definitely wanted to reach out here from Crafter Support and let you guys know that there are new products coming out. And definitely go onto the Cricut website and check it out. Again, I don't get paid. I'm not a sponsor. I don't do anything like that for Cricut. It's just, I know that these products are going to be amazing because all Cricut machines are amazing. And you're still going to have your favorites. You're still going to like one over the other, but their products are awesome. And I'll give you a sneak peek about what we're making Tuesday. Ready? Check it out. Sparkle. Sparkle. That's just one thing that we're working on. So, all right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you're all having a great Monday, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.